Hi, and welcome to a guide to image editing using Pixlr. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your web browser and type in pixlr.com. If you haven't used Pixlr before, there are 3 different levels, and we're going to start with Pixlr Express, which is available as a mobile app or on your browser. So we're going to click on Launch Web App. The first thing we're going to do is browse for an image that we would like to edit. So when you click on Browse, you go to your folder. I'm going to use this image of Obama. The first tool you may wish to use is the cropping tool, and I use this one quite a lot. So if we just go into Adjustment and select Crop, I can just resize the area that I would like to have. So I'm going to sort of have about that size and put my mouse in the center to be able to pick up the area in which I'd like to crop, and then simply tick apply down here. Okay, so now I've got a cropped image that I can start working with. The next tool I'd like to show you is the resize tool. If you're taking photographs with a digital camera, perhaps the image size is a little bit large to attach to an email, you can always select resize and change the width and the height here. If I was attaching it to an email, then I might go for a height or width around the 800 mark. Another thing you might like to do is rotate your image. This gives you the option of rotating like that, or we can simply flip that way or that way. I'm going to click cancel. As you can see, there are a large number of tools with which you can adjust your image. You may like to reduce red eye or play around with airbrushes, etc. Pixlr Express also has many effect tools and overlay tools that are worth experimenting with, but for now I'm simply going to show you how to use the borders. When I select the borders tool, we've got a number of different options. So if I just start with the default tool, I've got lots and lots of different tools that I can play with just by using this arrow. Make sure to click on this little pin in the corner and it will leave the tools up. So if I select a tool, I can just go through and see what all of the different tools do, rather than having to close them down, for example. So once I've selected a tool, I'm just going to select Apply. And unless I'm wanting to put stickers which you can play with or type some text over the top, all I need to do now is select Save in the top left hand corner and give the file a title. So I'm going to select Edited Obama and just select Save. Now it goes back to the original file where that was saved, and so I can just select Save and I've got my new file.